When it comes to enhancing the look and feel of your home, the details matter. One of the most impactful ways to improve your home's first impression is by replacing its front door. In Cayce, where homes often reflect a unique mix of Southern charm and modern touches, upgrading your front door is not only a stylish decision but also a practical one. Here's how a door replacement can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. The first impression counts. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. Whether it's a potential buyer, a neighbor, or a guest, the door sets the tone for what's to come. A worn-out or outdated door can give the impression that the rest of the home may not be well maintained, even if it's the opposite. Replacing your front door with a more modern, stylish option immediately increases your home's appeal. A new door can serve as a focal point that catches the eye and draws people in, giving your home a welcoming, polished look. A variety of styles to match your home's personality. One of the benefits of replacing your door is the wide variety of styles available to fit any home's character. Whether your Cayce home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, there's a door designed to match. From classic wood doors to sleek steel or fiberglass options, you can choose a material and finish that complements the architectural style of your home. For example, if you have a more rustic or farmhouse-style home, a solid wooden door with decorative hardware can enhance the cozy, inviting feel. On the other hand, if your home has a modern aesthetic, a glass-paneled door with clean lines can add an elegant touch that's both functional and stylish. Enhanced security and functionality. Beyond aesthetics, a new door can offer increased security and better functionality. Older doors may not provide the same level of protection or energy efficiency as newer models. Modern doors come equipped with high-quality locks and improved materials, which can offer superior security, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, energy-efficient doors are designed to better insulate your home, keeping the temperature inside more stable and reducing energy costs over time. This added functionality enhances your home's value, while the aesthetic improvement makes it more appealing to the eye. Increase property value. If you're considering selling your home, replacing your front door is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. A new, attractive door can increase the perceived value of your home, making it more appealing to potential buyers. A well-chosen front door not only improves curb appeal but can also add to the overall desirability of your property, which can translate into a faster sale or a higher asking price. In the competitive Cayce real estate market, making a great first impression with a quality front door could make all the difference. Improved home maintenance and durability. Another advantage of replacing your front door is the durability of modern materials. Older doors, especially wood, may have suffered from wear and tear, leading to problems like warping, swelling, or fading due to weather exposure. Newer materials, such as fiberglass or steel, are designed to withstand the elements much better, providing long-lasting protection. This means less maintenance and fewer repairs down the road, which not only improves your home's appearance but also saves you time and money in the future. Customization options to suit your taste. Door replacement isn't just about picking a standard option off the shelf. Many homeowners in Cayce enjoy customizing their doors to reflect personal taste. From choosing the color to selecting decorative glass inserts or custom hardware, your door can truly become a reflection of your style. Whether you want to make a bold statement or prefer a more subtle, classic look, the options for customization are endless. This personalized touch can make your home stand out from the rest and help it feel more uniquely yours. Final thoughts. Replacing the front door of your Cayce home is a smart investment that can significantly enhance its curb appeal, improve security, and even increase its market value. With so many stylish and functional options available, there's no reason not to upgrade. A new door can breathe fresh life into your home, making it look more welcoming, modern, and well-maintained. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a better home, a door replacement is an excellent way to elevate your property's overall appearance and value.